the Land Rover Range Rover Sport, P400e PHEV. A plug-in hybrid combines a 296 horsepower, 2.0-liter petrol engine with a 114 horsepower electric motor, to give a healthy blast of pace when you put your foot down. 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour takes just 7.3 seconds. The Range Rover carries a 13.1 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack. From 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.8 seconds compared to a conventional petrol engine, and gives you an additional boost in performance when you need it most. It is fully capable of managing most short commutes in full electric, EV, mode, with a range of up to 51 kilometers, 30 miles. Figures demonstrate a real-world economy of just 2.8 liters per 100 kilometers and 64 grams per kilometer CO2, making the vehicle one of the most efficient yet. It takes as little as 7.5 hours to recharge the vehicle depending on your local power supply using a home charging cable. By using timed charging to specify when PHEV charges, you can take advantage of off-peak electricity tariffs or simply choose the time of day convenient to you. Intelligent plug-in hybrid display, integrated within Touch Pro Duo and the interactive driver display. This feature tells you how efficiently you're driving and gives you real-time data about how the electric motor is working alongside the conventional combustion engine. PHEV's electric motor delivers instant torque for the ultimate responsive engine. Combining a 212 kilowatts petrol engine with an 85 kilowatts electric motor, it delivers 297 kilowatts, and 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 6.7 seconds, and to a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour, better performance than a V6 supercharged. From the driver's seat, the only electrification clues are an EV button, to turn the Range Rover into a heavy, quite expensive and oddly packaged if desirable EV, and a new driver's display showing power drain and Reagan as you work the pedals. There's also a save mode, to preserve charge for use later in a journey, accessed by a swipe of your finger on the upper infotainment screen. The big news in sight is Touch Pro Duo, the slick infotainment system that debuted in Velar, whose twin glossy screens do a great job of lifting the revised interior. This also includes materials from a higher drawer, most noticeably in the brushed aluminum detailing around some of the controls, and wider seats made possible by the relocation of the controls to the doors. The seats are softer too, and predictably gorgeous to nestle into. Particularly in the back, with executive class seating, standard on autobiography. This combines a powered center heated armrest with a heated footrest and recline and massage functions to ensure comfort beyond anything you might have at home.